having a hard time because Windows 11 drains out quickly? Well, disabling this one feature might help you. Hello and welcome to GadInsider, your hub for the latest tech news. Ever since the Windows 11 got released way back in 2021, we've heard countless users complaining about their laptop's poor battery life. Today we'll tell you how to fix it. Disabling the Windows Search Indexer service is an easy yet powerful way to prolong battery life, even though standard troubleshooting techniques like reducing screen brightness and removing unnecessary apps can be helpful. According to Microsoft, a vast index database with hundreds of thousands of entries is created by the Windows Search Indexer service, and it operates in the background while you use your device. Microsoft support documents state that this may result in problems with performance and excessive resource usage, which will shorten battery life. But if you turn it off, this issue will stop bothering you by enhancing battery life and performance. You can disable the Windows Search Indexer service by following these steps. All you have to do is press the Windows key to open the Start menu, then type services.msc in the search bar and press Enter. The next step is to right-click on the Windows Search and select Properties. From the Startup Type drop-down menu, select Disabled, then click the Stop button. Now that you've closed the services window, reboot your laptop. Disabling the Windows Search Indexer service should increase performance and battery life, but it may cause a delay in search results. After all, everything comes at a price. This method can be applied on both Windows 10 and 11. However, since Microsoft is about to discontinue support for Windows 10, switching to Windows 11 might be the right decision. Do you think this video was helpful? Drop your thoughts in the comments. We read every single one. If you love this news, smash that like button, subscribe to GadInsider, and hit the bell icon for more tech updates.